In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to use the bulk manage domain settings. The first step is downloading a CSV template. As you can see, you can edit pricing settings and listing settings using this feature. In this case, we're going to modify both. So please check the pricing settings and the listing settings. As you can see, the button to download the CSV file has now turned blue, meaning that you can download the file. So click on the button to download the file. Once you've downloaded the file, there should be somewhere where it shows up on your browser. Since I'm using Chrome, the file shows up on my bottom left. Click on the file to open it. As you can see, the CSV template that we just downloaded was opened in Excel. You can use other applications to open the CSV file, but for this example, we'll be using Excel. The first column is the domains column. This is where you're going to list all the domains that you want to edit using the bulk manage domains feature. The second column is the park column. This is where you can set domains to park or to not park. If you do not have parking access, you could just ignore the values in this column. The next three columns help you modify the listings. You can modify the listing description, phrase, or categories that the listing belongs to. The last three columns are the pricing settings. From here, you could turn Buy Now on and off. If you want to turn Buy Now on, you put a Y. If you want to turn it off, you put an N. Next, you can set a Buy Now price. And last, you can set a minimum offer price for your listing. Next, let's add domains to this CSV template. So the first is the domain name. Let's put domain 1. We want to set it to park, so we're going to put yes. We want to set the description, so and the domain phrase. We'll keep the category as business, and we want to set a Buy Now price. We'll set the Buy Now price at $5,000. We'll also set a minimum offer price of $500. Now you're done. You can continue adding domains and their settings to the CSV template, but for this example, we'll just leave it at 1. The next step is saving the CSV file. In Excel, click on File, then click on Save. A pop-up will ask you if you want to keep it in the CSV format or comma delimited format. Pick Yes. From there, the file has now been saved. After you have saved the CSV template file, now it's time to upload the file back to Aftermarket's bulk manage domain setting. Go to step 3 and click Choose File. From here, select the file that you just saved. Then click Open. As you can see now, the file name is next to the Choose File button. The last step is to choose an action you want to take with the CSV file you just uploaded. You can import the domains that are in the CSV file, you can delete the domains that are in the CSV file, or you can update the domains. Last, you can sync the domains to what is in the CSV file. If you choose Sync, it will delete domains that are in your account that are not in the CSV file, import the domains that are in the CSV file that are not in your account, and update all the domains accordingly to the values of the CSV file. In this case, we're going to choose Async. Once you choose and upload the files, the changes are permanent and we will not be able to recover. So please make sure that the file is correct. You have to click I understand to proceed. Once you click Understand, the button says now you can continue. Click the Continue button. Once you click Continue, the file will be uploaded and scheduled to be processed. Once the file has been processed, you will be emailed to notify you that it has been completed. If there are errors, you can download the error file through the table in this View Errors link. If it's completed with no errors, you will see a progress that says Done. This completes the tutorial.